Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing world most rarest conch snails collected from Indian Ocean. See, this is a normal conch snail. This is all very unique collection. This is white color conch snail for Lord Shukra Bhavan. White color conch snail for Shukra Bhavan, 100% natural, real. And you can see a hot Lord Hanumanji conch snail. Here you can see Lord Hanumanji face here. It gives very good braveness to you. All are unique collection, just one piece in the world. And you can see a hot conch. You can see clear hot shape here. Hot conch snail, very unique collection, gives you very good health and gives you protection from black magic and evil eyes. All are very unique collection of conch snail from Indian Ocean. All are very unique, only one piece in the world. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you see all very unique collections of conch snails collected from the Indian Ocean. Very unique collection, gives you protection from black magic evil eyes and gives you very good, happy, healthy family life. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.